Hello friends, I'm Professor Vidyadhar Shivsagar. Today we are going to see a new type of program is given as you can see on your screen, the design. The program is based on the milling operation. In this milling operation, we are going to create a particular profile of geometry on this particular part. So the dimensions are given. So first of all, we need to calculate the coordinates of each point where the profile need to be created. So consider a corner of the product is origin. Then we start to write down the program. So first of all, understand what are the different conditions given in the program. Starting point is the origin 0.0. Then the job tool need to is 2 mm above the job surface. Then feed rate is given 200, speed is given 2000 rpm. Then z is equals to 0 at the surface of workpiece. Then the plate thickness is given is 10 mm. Then the set starts to write down the manual part program for this particular job. So instruction block number 1 N1. So absolute dimensioning system we need to be considered over here, G90, G71 for the metric unit, G94 for the mm per minute bit rate. Then we need to start the tool with the help of miscellaneous code like M03. Then we start the coolant as we need to take the thickness about 10 mm for one cut. Then feed rate need to be considered over here, that we have given in the condition of the problem. Feed rate is given with the help of feed function capital F 200 and speed capital S 2000 EOB. Then instruction block number 2, rapid traverse from origin to the required point. The first coordinate of the point number 1 is x coordinate 0 1. Then instruction block number 3, where we need to keep the tool at the above workpiece is 2 mm. Then we start the machining operation in linear interpolation G01. Z minus 12 need to be take the thickness of plate with feed rate 200. Then linear interpolation need to move the tool from point number 1 to point number 2, which coordinate x coordinate is 10.0, y coordinate 15.0. Then need to continuously move the tool from point number 2 to point number 3. Point number 3 coordinates are x 10 11.0, y 0.0. Then we need to move the tool from point number 3 to point number 4, which coordinates is x 200.0, y 0.0 EOB. Then need to move the tool from point number 4 to point number 5, G01, x 200.0, y 150.0 EOB. Then we need to stop the program over here M02 end of the block. So that is the program number 1. Now the next program we are going to see is a lathe turning, simple turning program, in which the conditions are given. The starting point is origin, tool is 1 mm above the workpiece, and the feed rate is 200, speed 800, Z is equals to 0 at the surface of workpiece. Shaft to be turned having 40 mm diameter, bring the diameter is 40 mm, length of shaft is 60 mm. Then it is a cylindrical job, hence we need to be consider the coordinate system at the center or at the centralized axis as a origin. Now we need to put the tool at the center first, at the origin, and from the origin we need to take the facing operation. So the instruction block number 1 N01, G71 for the metric dimension, G90 for absolute dimensioning, G94 for the feed rate mm per minute. Then instruction block number 2, start the spindle with tool number 1. The tool number 1 is indicated with the tool function capital T, and feed rate is given in the problem, that is 200. It can be indicated with the feed function capital F, and the speed is given is 800 rpm, which is indicated with the help of notation capital S end of the block. Then instruction block number 3. In instruction block number 3, we need to move the tool from random position to the origin of the job. So we need to move the tool with the help of rapid traverse coding G002, x 0.0, y 0.0, and Z we need to keep the tool as condition given in the particular problem. So we need to keep the tool away from the surface of the job is 1 mm, then EOB, end of the block. Instruction block number 4. Now we need to start the machining operation with G01 for the facing operation. So X 20.0, Z minus 2.0 EOB. Then next instruction block, we need to take the feed and minimum is the diameter of the shaft from 40 mm to 30 mm. So first cut we are taking over here is 2 mm. So we need to go for the turning operation minus X 18.0, Z minus 60.0. Then next instruction block, move rapidly again at the original position. I need to take the 2 mm feed more. So X 16.0, Z 60.0 EOB. Then the machining operation need to be take minus 16.0, minus 60.0 EOB. Then again move the tool at the next feed rate position where the X 15.0, here the 1 mm feed we are taking. So X 15.0, Z 60.0 EOB. Then machining operation, turning operation we called as X minus 15.0, Z minus 60.0 EOB. Then next instruction block need to move rapidly from the next machining operation. So X 20.0, Z 80.0, M02 EOB. Here program get executed complete. Now next program is for the milling operation, in which we need to be perform the countering operation. So the conditions given in the problem. The starting point is origin 00 and the tool is 2 mm above the job. Bit rate is given 200. Speed is 1000. Z is considered as a 0 at the surface of the workpiece. Job thickness is about 10 mm. So it is a simple milling operation, but the countering operation is given where the radius is given. That's why this program is a unique type of program. So N01 first instruction block, in which G71 we are taking over here for the metric unit, G90 for the absolute dimensioning system, G94 the feed rate for mm per minute EOB. Then next instruction block N02, then start the spindle M03 with feed rate F200 and speed 800 EOB. Then next instruction block N03 G00X0, we need to bring the tool at the origin 2 mm above the workpiece. So Z coordinate is 2.0 EOB. Then next instruction block, in which we need to be take the cutter compensation. Cutter compensation left we should have to be kept because the outer radius need to be machined, as we have seen in previous some coding introduction topics. So N04 G42 D02 EOB. Offset diameter we should have to consider as is 2 mm. Offset diameter of the tool should have to be kept at outside of the job. So next instruction block N05, the machining we need to be start from one point to another point. So from origin we need to move the tool to the next point. So next point coordinate is X95, Y 15.0 and need to take the radius is about 15.0 and Z the feed is about 2 mm and depth of the plate, thickness of the plate is 10 mm. So Z minus 12.0 EOB. Then next instruction block N06, machining operation from this point to next point, that is G01 X 110.0 Y 15.0 EOB. Then from point number 2 to point number 3 we need to move the tool for machine operation with continuously. So X 30.0 Y 50.0 EOB. Then from next machining point we need to move the tool with machining operation G01 Y 35.0 EOB, and last one we need to move the tool out of job rapidly traveling from the machining point to random position. G00 coordinates, X coordinate minus 50.0, Y 30.0 and Z 12.0. Stop the program M02. So that's all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much.